Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and this is going to be, I guess, the beginning of the installation video for this thing. I don't have my hat, whatever, so here's the valve I took off of that orange plastic cover. This is the inside. There was a little, there was a little piece of foam in there, so I took off that orange cover. There's that ball. Here, that ball, that's the spring ball that'll stop the vacuum. There's your button right there that shuts off, and your wires, low voltage or whatever, just your wires that control the unit. And it seems like when you install this, this is going to be pushed all the way back against the wall in between your studs and the wall. So this will go against the wall. I was aiming to put mine in the middle of the studs, you know, in the center of the wall, but that's not going to work for how low I'm having it. If you're going to have yours, you know, high on the wall going down, then you could probably, you know, sway the what's it called? You're going to be able to, you know, sway the pipe inside, but I'm not going to do that. So you're going to want to go with a little certain amount of height here. You can't go as low as you want because you're going to have to make the elbow. So just to let you guys know, if you're installing it like me, where it's going to go in the basement because we have tenants, so we can't have it go in the attic. So so mine's going to be, you know, somewhat like this. Make sure you have the clearance to make the turn unless you're going to go, you know, really far down, because I'm trying to aim to get it in the joists. Mine's going to go, you know, in between the floor joists. So I got to make a 90-degree, you know, very quickly as soon as I, you know, go in here. So make sure that you're going to have enough clearance here to clear this. Don't just go install this and the whole thing's, you know, you got to redo it anyway. So I already did a measurement in there in the basement. I pretty much have to have the bottom of this like a centimeter higher than this. So I'm going to go a little bit higher than this, do the outline, and then cut that out. I did want to match it to the outlet, but I won't be able to because I need that turn. You wouldn't need that turn if you were going to do a regular central vacuum, but since it's the Chameleon, you need this, you know, big sweep turn. So, you know what I mean, you're going to need more length going down. So just to let you know. So anyway, so I'm going to line mine up, you know, so I can make the hole. Like I said, I'm going to go up a hair. All right, so that's pretty much, you know, going to be my cutout right here, as you guys can see. You know I made it messy, and I could have just measured it, but yeah. And the reason why I didn't, you know, spend so much time is because they do give you like 1/8 of an inch to play with on the sides to cover up the hole. So I'm going to use the vacuum while I'm doing it so I don't make this huge mess. All right, so we're going to cut this hole out really quick. All right, so let's check the fit. Nice, look at that, goes right in. Perfect. So that's kind of what mine is going to look like. I'm going to put it in from the back so you guys see what's up. I don't think I have anything to hold it in though. I know my hole doesn't look the greatest, but you are going to have a cover plate on it. And I wanted to have some free play. So that's kind of what it looks like. Let me see what the light on there. So that's kind of what it's going to look like, I guess, the beginning of the install, and that's what it's going to be. I have a closet, so I'm just going to seal up the wall. So I'm lucky, but if you're not, then you're going to have to do more work than I do. I'm sorry. You're going to have to repaint your wall and stuff. But I did it this way, so it's really easy to install for me. I can, you know, position everything properly because I want to, you know, I'm a Virgo, so I do everything extra. It's a problem. I want to make sure it has the best performance, so I'm trying to make the best, you know, turns I can and all this other crap. So that's kind of what it's going to go. It's going to go an elbow and go down, and that's it. And then I will be back with the connections of that, but that's just me installing that. All right. Hello, everyone. We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews, and we're going to put this as you obviously already saw, I got that in. That's kind of what it looks like. So I'm going to put this on to tighten it for me because I need to glue it from the basement and I want it to be nice and sturdy. So, comes with these screws. This goes on the inside from what I saw, these side things right here. So you don't need to worry about making the hole bigger than, you know, what you originally measured. All right, well, luckily I have access to the back, so it's easier, you know, for me to be able to fix this, but. All right, so it says you don't want to, oh, my knee was probably in the way. So it says you don't want to over tighten these four as you're tightening on, but that's the finished product of what you can expect your central unit to look like. And that's it. So that's kind of what our door is going to look like and what it's going to look like on the wall. All right, so we're going to glue the rest of it together from the garage. What you do, you're going to see, I'm going to do it downstairs, just glue it and put it up, and that's it.